Okay, end of the year, clearance from Target. I've been waiting for this one for a while. Was it something I really wanted to pick up? No, but if I happen to see it on clearance or on sale, absolutely. Ram Man, $9.98 or $9.99, whatever. $10.01, basically. Target clearance. With the Masters of the Universe, the new Eternia line, I'm completely impressed with. Back in the day, I've always wanted to collect the Master of the Universe classics where it came with a hefty price. I wasn't willing to pay those prices, but I tell you, this is probably the next best thing you could get if you want to collect the bigger scale Masters of the Universe. I got into some of the 5-inch scale, but not so much anymore. I do love this new Eternia line. You can do a lot with them, a lot of customization opportunities. But let's get into the actual accessories first, because this is a great figure. I really like this figure. I really like Ram Man. But anyway, let's get into what he comes with. He comes with all kinds of stuff. So his axe here is pretty cool. Got some damage on it. Kind of sad that they don't put a couple paint apps in here, but you could do it yourself. You don't do any customization with this axe. It's not really, I mean, it's a nice piece. It's nice and solid. It's not really rubbery. It's really solid. Comes with some hands. The hands, not so much. I don't think I'm going to keep him. I think I'm going to keep his hands where they are, where they're at right now. But at the end of the video, maybe we'll dress him up in his armor here, see what he looks like and holding the axe. But for now, I think I'm just going to keep him where he's at right now, with his hands balled fist up when I do put him on the shelf. But these are really cool. Really nice looking, solid. The quality is getting better and better and better, I think, when it comes to this new Eternia stuff. And here's another head sculpt. I really like this head sculpt with that armor, but I think that's what we might go with here in a minute. But look at the head sculpt. Look how good this looks. It's just crazy, crazy clean. The paint apps are really clean. If I wanted to complain about anything, it comes out of the line a little bit right there, as you can see. Just a little bit on the corner there, if I was going to complain. But no complaints here for $10.01. I mean, exactly what I paid. I believe something like that, $10 and something. Look at the eyes. The eyes are almost perfect. I really like this head sculpt too. I really don't know which one I like the best. I don't even know. This is such a great figure. I don't know. But anyway, let's check out Ram Man. Let's get into him for a minute. Let's put the spinny thing down here. Get that out of the way. Bring the henchman in a little bit closer. Bring Beastman a little bit closer. Bring in Evil Lyn. I love her, by the way. Love that figure. That is a great figure, and thanks to my daughter again for that. That was awesome. I do love her. Anyway, Ram Man right here. Did not know this rubber piece here. These feel like it does feel springy. They're not springs, but they do feel springy because it looks like it's a rubber over top of the actual legs. Actually, I guess that's the best way to do it, because if you didn't have the rubber covers on the legs and you would try to mock these springs on a solid leg, I think it would look stupid. What I love about this figure, it's nice and heavy. Very heavy. I love it, because I tell you, these stand up really well. Watch him fall over on me. But no, I barely did anything. He's just he's a little off right now. I got it out of the package. I pulled him out. But basically, he stands up. I love this about this. I tell you, I got him like in a little bit of an arch here, but not in proportion perfectly right now. But sake of the video, I don't want to bore you guys too long with this, because I'm sure this has been out. I know for a fact this has been out for quite a while. There's a lot of better reviews on YouTube, but I just wanted to do a review on this, but not so much into the articulation, but he is kind of stiff, and I like that. Arms are kind of loose, but the legs down here, this is great. They're stiff down here, up and down. Really good. I love it stiff, because you can put him in poses and he won't fall over as easy. But yeah, it's all one piece. I can't complain. How can you complain? This is a very cool looking piece. I think if you did the dots here and the stitching on the chest and maybe a little bit more washer on the chains, it'd be just about perfect. But maybe one day we'll get to that. Maybe not. I don't know. I like it like it is. I don't know if I'm even going to mess with it. That's how much I love it. But anyway, I know this. I don't want to make this real long, but let's take him and dress him up a little bit, change him up a little bit, see what he looks like. Okay, here he is next to my custom Shao Kahn Skeletor, and you'll probably say, well, that's not Skeletor because he has a neck. Sake of argument, He has a neck in this universe. Whatever. Anyway, I think it's cool. I think Skeletor should tower over everybody. Here he is with Beastman. Perfect kind of size up right there. Goes really well. I like the way that looks. Beastman obviously a little bigger, makes sense. Here he is with Evil Lyn. Now that's a good picture right there. I could take an 8x10 of that and put it on my wall. Here he is next to my custom Orko, whatever he is, I don't know. I made Orko half a body. That's basically Skeletor's Revelations body with Orko's head. Pretty good matchup, huh? There you go. They can go to war together. Here you go. Orko's leading the pack this time. Orko's going to go and rip and tear. That's all he's going to do. Beat everybody in the head with that damn pumpkin. Here he is next to my /Skelegod in Origins head Skeletor with the Skelegod horns from his staff. So that's this is pretty cool. I like this too as well. This could be a matchup. Who would win? I don't know. Possibly Ram Man, but who knows? And here he is from one of my favorite characters from the Masters of the Universe is Merman. And here he is next to my definitive He-Man, the 40th anniversary He-Man. Yeah, his face is a little off, but I prefer this one so far out of all of them. Especially the Revelations. The Revelations, I was kind of disappointed in that He-Man. Not a horrible He-Man, but not the best. This is my He-Man. Here he is how he sizes up. And I'm going to keep all the extra stuff that he came with off of him because Ram Man was known for one thing, and that was just to ram. But anyway, so this is my little quick review and comparison of a $9, $10 figure that's well worth the $20 or $30 price tag, but I just didn't want to pay it at the time. But I'm glad I waited, and it paid off in the end. But I appreciate you guys watching, and this is Ram Man.